welcome to another episode of DigiNurse. Welcome back to my channel. This is Shakri. I am excited for this episode because I am going to be reviewing my very first health product invention, you would call it. And I'm really excited because this is a cool product that really solves problems. And being at the bedside, working with patients, I've seen this issue a whole lot, and I really do think it is a solution and a solution to a major problem, and I'm really excited. Okay, so I won't hold it any longer. Here it is. This is Cath wear. Cath wear is a undergarment for male and females who have indwelling catheter. Now, if you don't know what indwelling catheter is a tube that goes into the bladder and actually through the urinary system. Without making it sound really complicated, it basically is a tube that helps to empty the bladder for anyone who has bladder complications or kidney issues. They don't have any control of their bladder, and so the catheter helps to empty their bladder. And so this is a solution to a problem because patients who do have those catheters, the catheter tubing is connected to a bag, a collection bag that they wear on their leg. And as you can see, this top part is, I believe, the part that connects to the tube from the bladder. And then this bottom part is where they empty the bag once the collection bag gets full. And so with patients who have this, they don't have undergarments that keep this secure and comfortable. And so patients often have self-concept issues and body image issues and self-esteem issues, and they feel very uncomfortable as a result. And so what happens is that there's sometimes leakaging as well, or leakage that happens. And so it's a very complex thing. Something as simple as a urinary catheter with a tube that is supposed to, with a bag that is supposed to empty the bladder, is essentially a solution, is essentially causing problems for a lot of patients. So you solve one problem, but then you create another problem, right? And so Brian and his team, Cath wear, they saw this problem and they wanted to create a solution. And so being a nurse, Brian is a male nurse. He's a nurse, as you would call him, and he is a Army vet, and so he's been a nurse for a really long time. He comes with really good experience, extensive experience and knowledge with nursing care, and you can clearly see his expertise because he created and designed a great product that helps to solve a problem. Look at this. This is so comfortable. It's so silky. Look at the pockets. It has 2 pockets, and basically what happens is the tube just goes into the pocket, and there's a small little hole that the emptying tube comes out of, and it stays insecure. It's very comfortable. It's made just for this. What other clothing undergarment is made exactly for this, with this in mind, And so, and this is a solution. This is a solution to the problem. And there you can see it. There you can see it. You have an issue that has been solved. This bag is discreetly in the pocket. It's kept secure, and whenever patients want to empty their bag, they simply just twist this and pour it out into any toilet that they go into, and they clip it back and they go about their day. And this, I'm sure, will bring some comfort and boost some self-esteem and body image, and make patients comfortable with this. So I really give this 10 out of 10, this product, because it's so functional, it's so comfortable, and it really does solve a major issue. I really recommend this to any patient that is out there that has this issue. I think look up Cath wear. It is not, my YouTube channel is not sponsored by Cath wear. This episode is not sponsored by Cath wear. I hope one day they could, but honestly, it's not. I really just emailed them. I came across this product and I emailed them and I said I wanted to help spread the word about this product. I wanted to review this product for people that are out there, and they sent me a sample, and here it is. Here I am sharing with you all. I think if you have this issue, you should definitely get this product, look for this product, ask your provider for this product. And if you are a hospital or a nursing home or a rehab facility, or if you are a product supply company, I think you should find this product and have this product for your customers. It's definitely going to be on demand. I think it solves the problem for them, and it's really going to be fruitful for you to have this product. And so it's 10 out of 10. And so yeah, shoot me your comments, what you think, look it up, and share your thoughts with me. If you've ever had this product, you've tried it on, let me know, and let me know how it works for you. And yeah, until next time, see you then.